This is Bodrum. Bodrum is one of the most beautiful spots on the southwestern coast of the Aegean Sea. If you're on the turquoise coast, this might be one of the best locations to come because it's full of history, full of life, lots of things to do. And lately it's become a very popular area as it's been rated the 6th best place to visit in the world by Travel and Leisure magazine. The Blue Cruise got its origins from the artists that were living in Bodrum in the 1970s. They began exploring the coastline on sponge diver boats, and today the same routes have turned into some of the most beautiful yachting areas in the world. The port side of Bodrum is lined with many different types of boats, from gulets to motor boats. You can actually come here and make an agreement with one of the captains and take a boat out for the day or for the week. So it's a really nice thing to just walk next to them as well because, well, this is Bodrum. Bodrum is actually a sponge divers village. This is a village that started out as a really small amount of people here fishing and diving for sponges. Now it's become one of the world's top destinations for vacation.
Bodrum is a city that has a long history with artists. Its beauty has been an inspiration for painters, sculptors, and writers. When visiting Bodrum, you can find many galleries filled with beautiful art from the local artists. When shopping or just wandering the streets of Bodrum, you are most likely going to come across some of the most beautiful shops owned by these artisans. Artisans who create everything from one-of-a-kind jewelry to tailor-made sandals inspired by the beautiful coastal city. The beaches of Bodrum are famous for their high-quality entertainment. They are places where you truly get spoiled. Most of them are located in small villages that are around the city center, each with its unique character. There are just so many choices.
This was a place that really made me fall in love with it, and it's never left my mind. Today, this new area is a lot different than what it originally was, but it still holds the same values. It's all about quality, it's all about fun, and it's all about Turkish.
Spending your evening trying out some of the culinary specialties of the Aegean kitchen with friends is the perfect way to end your day. Bodrum is famous for its nightlife, with sunsets that create stunning views that take your breath away, and evenings spent dancing all night long. Live entertainment and disco-style clubs in an array of different styles. This vibrant beach town is the perfect place to enjoy your holiday, only in Türkiye.